Welcome to IELTS Master 14 days course. This course will help you to achieve the best score within 2 weeks. This course will be perfect if you start learning 40 days before your exam. We recommend this course if you have already booked your exam or you are an advanced student. From this course, you will get daily interactive sessions, workshop and one-to-one doubt clearing sessions. You will get full-length practices with detailed feedback for all your modules every day. We will do 3 mock tests with detailed feedback to familiarize the exam pattern. Our IELTS Master portal gives you over 600 lessons and 200 plus exercises, which is available 24/7, and also we will assign a personal coordinator to monitor your performance. Your report card will help you to understand your current performance level. You can attend this course from any part of the world. Requirement is a minimum 5.5 band or EPT 23 score to attend this course. Hurry up, only limited slots are available in each batch, so call us now or subscribe now.